driving to Las Vegas. We believe this is the bridge that was being built last year. I think it's completed. Right? This is the bridge?
No. Oh, this isn't even the main part. The main part's on that side.
I don't think that's the bridge.
It is? Look! You can see the arches over there.
Oh. Oh, be careful, just drive. There's a lot of traffic here because they're doing a lot of construction around the Hoover Dam. I'm talking to my audience.
You have a TV show?
It's called a mundane TV show. And coming up.
That's the bridge. See,
Oh, that's the bridge.
Yeah, that road leads up to
that. Okay, so that bridge that we just passed.
They're gonna cut off traffic here. You're not gonna be able to drive over this after.
That's the bridge? Oh. That's the Hoover Dam. Saw this last year and seen it again. Hello. Yeah, we drove down this thing. This is the only way to get to Las Vegas? Oh. Interesting. They're doing a lot of construction here, as you can see. Can you just drive?
Alright, we're going over it now.
Over what?
Over there.
Oh.
Hoover Dam's over there. What are you looking at over there?
I'm not. I'm just... There's a lot of boulders here, which I think it's called...
That's the Hoover Dam.
Yeah, I know what the Hoover Dam is.
What reporter are you?
Hello.
Yelling at correspondent.
You're my not my correspondent. You're my cameraman and my driver. Oh, darling.
Oh, darling, shut up. There, that's the lake.
Hold on, be careful. Beautiful. And the lines there, that's how far up the water goes. That's the bridge.
Oh, they haven't connected
They haven't connected it yet, yeah.
They're the thing up right now.
They're not connecting it. Wow, it's taking a long time. Well, they're like halfway done, right? When we came...
There's nothing.
There was nothing. Okay. Bringing to you. Envious News.